they come. Oh my God, honey. Look at, oh, it's just like we see it on ATT. They're lining up the same way. See it in the stacks? Look at that. That looks cool. Just the way they're going in a certain pattern. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Yeah. Oh wow. Holy cow, look how close they come. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh. Oh my God, look at it. He turned in his head, honey. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow, that was so cool. I heard a guy back there said that they have had 9 shows this year. 6 of them were canceled because of weather. So this is only the 3rd successful show. Oh, wow. Oh, look how the gates are opening, honey.
That is awesome. I see it.
Holy. This is amazing. I am like already hooked on drone shows.
Right?
I'm hooked. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at them walking. And the wheels turning. Ridiculous. Look, their heads are bouncing.
They even have a
Look, they even got the white at their legs.
I know.
Yeah, can you hear them running a little bit? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Budweiser. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Look at the run on that. I can't. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
That's amazing.
Oh, look at it. Oh, look how that was already lined up. Oh, it's a peacock, honey.
It is.
It's a pisscock. Look.
Look at its hair flowing.
Oh, my goodness.
Its wings.
That is, I don't even understand how they, I'm just, genius. That's all I got to say. This shit is genius. Oh my God. It's literally going in a circle. Oh my, I can't even, I don't even have words.
Uh-huh. Oh, look at
wow.
And it's waving.
How do they do? Look at the wave. How do you get it to look right like that? I mean, I get the rope going up and down or whatever. That's just ridiculous. Well, we got perfect seats, don't we, honey? Look at that. That's, if I was to guess, that's probably Grant's cabin.
That's what I was thinking.
That's what it looks like. Look at that. Unbelievable.
And it's like the whole thing was just rotating.
Unfriggin' believable. Look at those little guys. Look at it, look at it. Here it comes in. It's coming into something. Oh, wow. Oh, look at him flying. Oh, my God. Fireworks are like weak now.
Right.
Oh my, look at that. Summer nights at Grant's Farm. How in the hell? This is insane. Look how precise that is, honey.
Right?
You couldn't freaking stencil that better. It's unbelievable. Oh, it's gonna be flapping. Oh, look at his feet. We're like underneath it. Oh my God. It's like this is ridiculous.
It's like it's flying over.
Yeah, exactly. God, look how big it is. Like, I don't think people can understand, like, how large. I mean, I'm trying to, like, just to give you an idea, without changing my stuff, I mean, just look how big in the sky this is. I'm trying to think, if I was to guess, that's, I don't even know, 400 feet wide, you think? Well, actually, what is that? Oh, it's the, damn. It's the, the eagle flying through the egg.
Yep.
Okay, that one had me for a minute till the A came into play.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. The arch with the waterfront. Yeah. Look at the green in the back. What is going on? Look at that. Oh my God. Sick. What in the hell? Look, honey, it's like two hearts. Like one inside one. Oh my God. What? That is so gigantically long. Oh my God. I don't even... This is insane. Oh, it's like fireworks. Look at that. I mean, seriously, it looks the same. That's insane.
Just go by.
Look how... hell yeah.
Drone show.
Just go to a drone show.
So much safer.
For real. Well, and just, this is amazing. This is just amazing.
The colors are, oh my gosh.
Oh my God. would have paid so much more for this. I hate to say it. You know what?
Yeah.
This is probably the best money we've ever spent. Look how it just sucks in. Look at it. Whoa, look at them going. They're going. Wow, look at that. Look how it pulls away. Okay, they're lining up the land. They're lining up the land, which I absolutely freaking love this part. Listen, listen. You hear them? Okay, now hear them calm down there.
Yeah.
How cool is that? How they drop my levels? Wow. That was I am hooked.
Right?
I want a drone. Okay, cool. Wow. That was
impressive.
unbelievable.
Very nice.